Good afternoon, viewers. Today just I come here in my home country is a nice view and very best garden here. So today I am visiting here about this garden. So nice and very beautiful. And today I come with my uncle son. He is my uncle son, and his name is Abdul Rashid. Hi, how are you? Fine. And he's also very best garden and long. Nice view here also here. And otherwise, this garden, viewers, I don't know the kind of what is the name about this. This fruit. This tree also, I don't know what is the name, but in Pakistan also like this tree also is vegetable, I don't know. Actually here is so many gardens, but I don't know the name is. What is this? And viewers, that one is the plum tree, it's very nice. And also my home country eagle also here sitting, you see. We will see right now there in the near how some eagle is play right now. And otherwise is very nice view here. So many gardens, viewers, my home country Pakistan is beautiful also. And we will going to right now, there is so many garden and beautiful view. Pakistan is so beautiful also. And that one is the coconut tree also. Okay viewers, so right now we will see another side also, because there's so many beautiful view here. And also there also so many plum tree. Is nice view, and this garden is very large, very long garden. And also have here some cow, and this tree kind of this fruit, I don't know actually the name is what it is, but this kind of this fruit. Like that. Actually don't know what is the name, but right now I am come here about this garden, all this tree, kind of this tree only. So very nice and very large garden. When you walk about 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer is around this garden. So many beautiful. And cow sitting here also, they also somewhere. Okay viewers, so right now I have to go another side also. He's enjoy my uncle son there also with tree, because his Pakistan weather is right now is not much hot, but it's okay, it's very nice. And this garden is very nice also, some vegetable there and some grass, some lemon tree also, and cow, everything here. It's very nice. So we will see another side also, this garden. Coconut tree also available here. So beautiful garden here. And viewers, this garden from my house to about 5 kilometer only, just far. But it's very nice. I think it's Pakistan also very beautiful and very nice. Pakistan actually is garden is too much here. Plum tree. Very nice, and very weather is very good also here. And sometimes we put in the vegetable like salad, onion, tomato, everything we can put here also. There are also some vegetable and beautiful. Okay viewers, so right now we have to go another side also, we will see, because this garden is very large, so we have to take the other side. And Pakistan also so beautiful. So right now we are going to outside another side also, because just we come here by motorbike like that. So we are stopped there motorbike. So right now this garden is very nice. So right now we are going to another side after we are exit from this garden. So viewers, this is Pakistan also so beautiful. Garden here is very nice. Everywhere is same garden Pakistan. But his land is very soft, and like this land is also, if you walk, is difficult, not same another country, but it's very nice Pakistan. And that one all coconut tree. Very beautiful. Viewers, if you come Pakistan visit, you can see same like this garden. There's so many gardens available in Pakistan also. Very beautiful country. So I hope everybody come to here, visit here, see the garden. If you come with family also, it's very nice. And you see the long tree also, palm tree, coconut tree, palm tree, and lemon, everything. So actually right now we are going to outside. Today we visit here in the garden. It's very beautiful. So my country also very beautiful. Viewers. And now we are doing this youth also. Hello viewers. Right now is very nice garden tree, beautiful papaya. Viewers, right now is also here is Pakistan is so beautiful country. You see, garden also very nice, beautiful. And viewers, this is the bell patra. His name is the bell patra. You see, so very nice, beautiful. Very nice, so beautiful. Bel patra. This is the bel patra fruits from Pakistan. You see, viewers, is very nice, best. So that means Pakistan is so beautiful country. You see, it's very beautiful garden here. It's not far from city. About from my home around 5 kilometer or 6 kilometer far from my home. Bel patra, very nice, beautiful. If you come visit in Pakistan, and tree also very nice here, garden, so many places is very beautiful Pakistan. And my uncle's son of uncle looking for this also, you see, very nice. Bel patra, right? Okay. Yeah, bel patra. So viewers, is very nice Pakistan. You see, beautiful. Very beautiful. Very nice. Pakistan is Pakistan. Very beautiful. So many gardens. So right now we are walking and going to other side also. We will see which parts is very beautiful also. So we will see Pakistan is so many gardens. You know, the Pakistan is green also. anywhere. Like that is very best area also Pakistan. Very best garden. So many places also and fruits. Hello. You are so happy, right? Yes. He also happy, very happy here and very nice West Pakistan. Papaya. Papaya garden is so beautiful also. Papaya tree, papaya garden. And there is some people working right now. And actually I don't know what is the name of this also. My home country is very beautiful. So many gardens, viewers. Nice place. And also here is working workers right now is cleaning the garden also, very beautiful. You see, so very hard work but is very nice. Making the very good also. Hello, how are you? Fine?
I'm fine.
Yeah. And you?
Very fine.
Yeah, he is working here right now, viewers. Okay, so we will see other side also. We will see the which part is very beautiful also. We can see also this garden. So very nice. And right now I walking is very like a jungle. Forest area same like is very nice also beautiful. Yes. So viewers, today just my video is for only the garden view in Pakistan is so beautiful also. So I hope everybody visit in Pakistan, so they will also come here. Is many very nice tree also, and actually I don't know what is the name this kind of this fruit. Okay viewers, so right now we will see another farce also this garden. If you walk from here, if you long time is walking, then you so tired, you can come here also. Is a long tree and you can see the shade area also, some shade, and you can sit down here like my, you see, you sit down like that. Here is very nice and very cool also. So this garden in Pakistan is too big, too long. Anywhere you walk around 5 kilometers is very big garden. He is something fine. Also you want to eat also this. I don't know what is the name. Also here is so many fruits garden, but I don't know what is the name also. But this is the fruit, papaya, this tree. This fruit is like that. So right now we are eating because we are find the one is the best. And otherwise is nothing also is. Papaya tree is very nice also here. So many gardens. Pakistan, beautiful, very nice Pakistan. Pakistan, very, very beautiful country. So many gardens. So very nice.
Beautiful.
Oh, he also enjoy this. Very enjoy this fruit. He also mango tree also available here also. Many so many beautiful Pakistan. Banana. Very nice view right now. We are coming just swimming pool, and he is the guy the cleaning here. You see the very nice cleaning also here. Swimming pool. This swimming pool for journal, everybody, gentlemen and ladies, but that one is for kids only. A small swimming pool. This right now, this motorway going from Karachi